So this year, a couple friends and I went up to a cottage up north in Muskoka where we rented an Airbnb. And I was super excited to go up this weekend because I was able to take my work's GoPro Fusion, which is a waterproof 360 action camera. Now, if you've ever worked with GoPros, you know that they work way better in daylight, bright, sunny situations than they do indoors or at night. And this weekend was amazing. I was super excited to get this footage. I'm excited to show you guys what's about to happen, and enjoy.
You guys are the worst, honestly.
Got me up all night, putting things on the side. What do you have in mind? She's awake all the time. What are you trying to find? I hope this ain't a lie, 'cause I'm vibing with all we have. Yeah, I'm feeling what we are now. I'm laying down on the ground. All I do is thinking out loud. Yeah, I'm vibing with all we have. I'm feeling what we are now. All I do is thinking out loud. 'Cause I'm running with these emotions, stumbling out of bed. One hell of a roller coaster. You're messing with my head. I'm ending up so clueless. What are you trying to find? I'm running with these emotions. Tell me, what do you have in mind? Tell me, what do you have in So tell me, where are you now? When your head is in the clouds, I wanna find out now. 'Cause I'm vibing with all we have. Yeah, I'm feeling what we are now. I'm laying down on the ground. All I do is thinking out loud. Yeah, I'm vibing with all we have. I'm feeling what we are now. All I do is thinking out loud. 'Cause I'm running with these emotions, stumbling out of bed. One hell of a roller coaster. You're messing with my head. I'm ending up so clueless. What are you trying to find? I'm running with these emotions. Tell me, what do you have in mind?
That's our car.
12:40, and we should have left 40 minutes ago after cleaning the house with no water. And Bryce's car is dead, so we're still here, not on the road.
It's dead.
Literally gonna fucking kill myself.
How could this happen to me? I made my